Get it, Stu. All right, ready? Record. All right, I got to fix the camera.
Just don't run into Starlight.
No.
Running around the yard, bring it back.
That was a front out.
Running around the whole ball. I said to go around the bend.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh shit. We're good. I just hit the chest, Bruce.
Do it one more time.
Oh.
Ronnie, me too. I'm gonna be able to do that with it.
Oh yeah.
I think
He's tired now. He's like, yeah, yeah. Well, I got it. I got it in the first person mode, so I can turn a little bit faster. That's crazy. That is. He's like, what the fuck?
Where'd it go? Yeah. Where'd it go?
Once it gets to about 320, you can't hear it no more. Yeah. I did figure out something. This is kind of cool. Put it in cruise control. It'll go look like it's.
Going in a circle.
Yeah. Good for
Circle.
Yeah, I know. And then if I want to, let's see.
Look, get over here. Get your butt over here. He wants to go get something.
Yeah, man.
Look. Get him. Hi, baby. Pray down over the puppy when you went
Okay.
before it dies. Right there.
Ah, let's see if I can get it. The aperture of this camera. Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, it's gonna look small on here till I blow it up.
Yeah. There's another.
Oh, damn. Well, I think I'm getting a third one. That's crazy, dude.
Right? He's waiting for it, dude. You're getting so great, face, but he hears it.
He's scared. He's like, huh? Expect your dad's roof for. Ah, I see it right there.
Get over here.
All right. Here's the. Oh, I know. I'm trying to get the tracking to work on her. Hold on. If it does, it'll be awesome. It does. Okay. Okay. Stop running, you little shit. Oh, I'm gonna get her. Oh, dude, it's tracking the puppy. Hold on, I'm getting closer. Oh, it'll follow her. You're pissing. You ever say it?
I'm telling you once, you can't get it.
Boo. Yeah, I got an idea. Puppy. All right. Oh, damn it, it lost her. Yeah, it still got 30%. Okay, it's back to tracking. Oh, lost her again. I think she's too small for it to keep track too well. That's a new sound. Uh,
Oh, you gotta fly over the fucking
oh, yeah.
drop on. Where's cable?
Yeah, I don't think he's there. All right, I got to take it out of obstacle mode.
Yeah, get back.
Well, sometimes oh shit. Sometimes when it's in obstacle mode, it won't let me go in places it could actually go if it wanted to. All right, now we bring it back. It did track the puppy though for a second there.
Jesus, man.
When I first got it, dude, it gave me a thing like you can't track wildlife with this. Well, just track that dog. Oh.
What's that? Whoa!
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, we're good. Yeah, we're good. I knew it. I fucking went up fast. Give me a second, dog. I'm trying to fucking do something. All right, it's going away. Far, far away. I don't know if that was his spin or rain. Let's get to 300 feet. And then I'll head that way. God damn, you can see it from here. About to go over the apartments. Yeah, we're gonna hook this up to your fucking projector. Now, technically, we could be in the house. Well, no, your walls wouldn't work out for that.
Where'd it go? Go find it.
You need any drugs?
Give it, Snoop.
Dude, how many drug dealers think I'm a cop right now? This green apart.
How low can you go?
I don't like to go lower than 150 feet when I ain't over like public property or nothing. I could go low. Technically I could probably go as low as the top of the trees anywhere I wanted to, but I don't. Uh, luckily, return to home's on, so we'll be all right. Oh, plenty. I got the big one in there. We're already there. Here, come here.
Oh, fuck, you're right on top of it.
Yeah, don't worry about that. Mac, turn the home. Okay.
But why is my power so high?
Right. Yeah, it didn't help shit. I go higher. I should be all right.
Damn.
Yeah. Remember how pretty this fucking place was? And that's like this. I want a job here, though, dude. Yeah. Like, who the fuck gotta suck a dick to get in here? Yeah. Yeah, there's something, but I think it's the apartments blocking my way when I get further that way. Oh, that's fucking cool.
Yeah. So, you're close to Wormley and shit.
Yeah, that's good. Right there.
Sit down. Sit. Old man, sit down. You fail to think that you're not old, dude. You're old. Sit down.
You're old, man. It's miles away. It's like a half mile away. Ain't nothing blocking here. Dude, I'm getting that antenna booster, so it'll fucking be even better.
Go further.
Yeah, I just gotta keep it straight on it. Shoots the shit out. Get a little close. I don't know why. Uh,
Did you get video running around the yard?
oh yeah, dude. I'll download it all and send it to you.
Yeah, son. Rocking out.
I know. Yeah, cruise control is awesome. I have to plug in with that phone, yeah. So it's good. These apartments.
You hear?
Dude's like, motherfucker's back. I'm teasing women.
Yeah, enough to run for the yard.
As long as it don't keep overheating. I ain't gonna. I think it knows it's behind it. Actually, I can't do it this way. I'm stealing it up.
Fuck is he?
Fucker. Give me a chance here. Fuck.
Watch the wires. The wires.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, well. Tricky part.
That's all I'm going to use that drone for is running.
Yeah, the Rhino.
Yeah.
This shit, Now it's like, that's so beautiful.